ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
And at 6:48, we are officially in sunrise hour. Sunrise peaks at about 6:51, and so we're just close to that. We're already seeing hints of it light up the sky from our Coronado Peyote Sky Camp facing downtown San Diego. Gorgeous shot across the San Diego Bay. Current temperatures right now, we're waking up on the cooler end, so if you're headed outside, make sure you grab a jacket. If you're headed in the car, likely going to need that seat warmer on. We're at 39 degrees, Oceanside being one of the coldest spots along the coastal areas. 50 degrees, meanwhile, in Chula Vista and Kearny Mesa, tracking 43 degrees in El Cajon and Ramona right now, currently at 36 degrees over at the airport. Here's what I have for today's highs, pretty comparable to yesterday. If you liked Sunday, you're certainly going to like what we have on tap for your Monday afternoon. I'm forecasting lots of 70s to go around for a majority of the inland communities, and that's just a few degrees above normal. Although it will be nice and sunny, just know that it will be still very dry due to those offshore winds. For the coastal areas, will be slightly cooler than yesterday by about 5 to 7 degrees. I have mostly 60s from the coast, from Oceanside all the way down towards Imperial Beach, where we'll be in the mid to low 60s from La Jolla all the way down to Imperial Beach. So this area of high pressure is going to dive south more towards Southern California. That's going to be, again, paired with this area of low pressure. So we're actually going to be in between two systems over the next couple of days, but the closer they are together, the tighter the pressure gradient, meaning the greater the difference between those two systems as far as pressure goes, and that's the reason why we're expecting really high winds starting tomorrow night. However, the bright side, if there is any bright side with this moderate to major Santa Ana wind event, is we're not going to be nearly as warm, all due to that area of low pressure just to our east. It's going to filter in some cooler air for us, but the winds are going to be our major concern over the next couple of days. So if you're wondering where are some of the strongest winds going to be, well, they're going to stretch all the way from the coast to the desert areas. Remember, where we see those pink and purplish colors, that's where we're going to have some of the strongest winds. And I'm fast forwarding this to tomorrow night at 6:30, and you notice the color contour there. Those strong winds triggered in Oceanside as well as Fallbrook, so right in between the 5 and the 15, and it even becomes widespread all the way towards the mountains and desert areas. And it looks like peak wind gusts will be Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We're also expecting relative humidity levels to plummet down to the teens, even in some cases down to the single digits. The fire danger threat is going to be anywhere between that moderate to high level tomorrow and Wednesday especially. But as I mentioned, the bright side is temperatures won't be as warm. But because it's dry out there, we haven't had much rain. In fact, we're in a deficit when it comes to our water year totals. That's the reason why we are looking at an elevated threat for fire danger. So the National Weather Service actually issued a fire weather watch. It is expected to take place tomorrow into Wednesday. We're also looking at a high wind watch as well for all of these areas highlighted in that camel color. And the high wind watch actually starts tomorrow at 4 o'clock, lasting all the way through Thursday morning. As I mentioned, the National Weather Service, they don't just issue these watches for nothing. They want you to be more mindful when it comes to those outdoor activities. Hopefully by now you've created that defensible space and have checked your cars or any transportation for loose objects that could spark a fire. Desert highs will be in the upper 70s. We push down to the low 70s. As I mentioned, that area of low pressure is going to cool things down, especially for the county's eastern half, looking ahead to the middle of the week, and then things are going to start to gradually warm up as onshore flow returns Friday through the weekend. Jared.